Hey everybody, this is Fresh For You 305. I got a 1993 Isuzu pickup, space cab, hard body. I'm restoring it. I'm putting a new interior. Got a water leak here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Now I took the panel off in the back here. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of dark in here. And it only has water here, just here. Now I checked back in here in this panel here. There's no water coming from the back over here. I don't know how this water got here. The water stops right here. It doesn't go all the way up to the front. Now I tried water checking it, but I can't find the leak. Anybody has any suggestions about it? Where the water leak is at? It's behind the seat. I checked everywhere. I checked the pillar. But it doesn't have water anywhere else. On the floor pan. Just right here. No water coming from the back windshield nor the back window here. It's just right here, the water. Well, if anybody knows, please comment on the bottom here. Thank you. Fresh For You 305 out. Restoring 1993 Isuzu pickup, space cab, extended cab. Bye. Peace out.